another video, another project. Today we'll be discussing this extension project that is behind us. As you can see, it's an apartment project, and the client who is here with us wanted to do an extension on the second floor slab. So we'll discuss about the ongoing construction for this particular project. My name is Nick Muema from Property Noma.
My name is Wambua from Kidifamako.
I am QS Fidelis Maiba, Construction Project Manager.
I am Felicita Mokuhe, a professional realtor and a project manager.
Mr. Wanjau, thanks for welcoming us to your project. Now, kindly tell us more details about this project that you have here.
Thank you, Mr. Nick Muema. What we had was a one bedroom and then a two bedroom. And then we decided to have another two bedroom. Then we compared all the options, whether to use the normal building stones or to use precast. And we realized precast would be a bit faster and maybe slightly less expensive.
Talking about the speed of precast, when did your project begin?
They started like 2 weeks ago. And as you can see, they are roofing now.
As Batir consultants, Mr. and Mrs. Maiba, you can tell us more details about the technical aspects of the project, like the number of panels, the square area, all that.
Okay, in terms of square area, this is a two-bedroom. I'm not sure of the square area because the daughter was the architect and the interior designer, so I was given the drawing. I didn't study the, the square area. And in terms of the panels, we were working with around 70 pieces. 70 pieces because one side was done, so we were working with around 70 pieces of panels.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, being an extension project, what did you do to ensure that it stands successfully on top of the other units?
Okay, for an apartment building, the precast, although we are welding the precast together, we still needed the RC columns. As you can see, there are columns which are holding the precast in place to ensure that there's no movement in terms of the wind or anything. So we just joined the precast with the columns, then we casted the columns to ensure that the house is very, very, very stable. Yeah.
Yeah. Any challenges that you might have faced during this construction, and how did you overcome them?
Throughout the period we have had a very easy time. I don't see any challenge that we came about because all materials were delivered on time. Everything was done according to what we wanted to.
Yeah.
Yes.
Mr. Wanjau, looking around, I can see people have built their houses or their rental units using normal stone blocks. How did you come across precast panels, and how confident did you feel before reaching this stage, just the initial stage? How did you view precast? Because I can see you're the only one who has used precast here.
Okay, I'm a fan of Property Noma. So from Property Noma, I saw many contractors and many projects that had been done. And I liked the speed and the houses they had built looked very beautiful. And then my neighbor just constructed a fence using precast. So I made a decision to go that way.
And talking about cost, was it in line with your budget?
Yeah, I would say it is within the budget.
Apart from extending the third floor, was there any other extension that was needed for this project?
Yeah, when we came in, the first floor didn't have a balcony. So Mr. Wanjao wanted us to add a balcony from the kitchen area. So we decided to do a column so that we can hold the first balcony, and now we extended the other part. So those are some additional works that came about, and now we are doing plaster for the whole house so that we can be able to have it as one before we do the actual paint works.
Okay. For Mr. Wanjau, what can you tell other clients who are thinking of doing something similar or just want to build using precast panels but are torn between that choice?
I would say precast is the way to go. Reason being, it is cheaper, it produces neat work, and then you kind of save on labor and the materials that you get. It's the exact material that you use. There is minimum wastage.
All right, guys. So this is an ongoing project. You'll find this video in the construction progress updates. I shall come back when it's finally done so that you can appreciate how it looks before and after. So till then, stay safe. Thanks for watching this video, and we shall catch you in the next project.